at Helpira AI Helpdesk Sales Preview 0:20 Hook Talking Head. And your reputation. Missed messages, slow replies, messy follow-ups, and tickets falling through the cracks. This sales preview I'm breaking down is for Helpira, an AI-powered Helpdesk Plus customer communications platform that claims it can handle and track customer issues, faster draft answers with AI, and even help boost public reviews. Plus, there is an agency angle where you can sell Helpdesk accounts to other businesses. 10. Helpira positions itself as the best AI helpdesk tool for customer support and communications, built to help businesses retain customers and reduce support stress. The page also frames this as a big SaaS opportunity, citing the helpdesk market size and expected growth, and pitching it as something every business needs. Ecom stores, agencies, maintenance companies, tech repair shops, education, HR departments, gyms, and more. Get help ira.in plus 1055 to 210 core features, show B-roll of dashboard tickets. Here's what Helpira says it does. You get easy customer query handling with issue tracking. Then AI-powered answers that can draft replies to frequent questions so you can simply review and hit send. It also claims automated learning, meaning the AI learns the right answers and can respond automatically in the future. On top of that, there is a big focus on speed. Helpira says it can use your existing answer bank to give instant answers even before a ticket is created, which is meant to reduce workload and keep customers happier. Get help ira.in +3 Get help ira.in +3 Get help ira.in +3 to 10 to 310 team plus management plus insights on screen list. It also lists attachments, email integration for managing ticket correspondence through email, and a customer database that keeps a full record of customers and their support history. Get help ira.in +3 Get help ira.in +3 Get help ira.in +3 310 to 340 reputation plus reviews, Bureau Google reviews. A standout feature the page pushes is reputation enhancement. Helpira claims it can nudge happy customers to leave positive public reviews on platforms like Google Business and Yelp, turning support into a reputation growth engine instead of a time drain. Get help ira.in +2 Get help ira.in +2 342 425 agency monetization angle talking head confident. Now, the make money angle. The page lays out a playbook for agencies and marketers resell licenses. Charge an implementation setup fee. Charge ongoing optimization retainers for upgrades and AI training, or even offer customer handling as a done-for-you service and charge per ticket or monthly. It also claims you can create unlimited accounts to sell or give away, and even use a freemium strategy to grow your email list by giving away accounts as a stronger lead magnet. Get help ira.in +2. Get help ira.in +2 for 25 to 450. BYOK plus admin control on screen. BYOK plus access control cost-wise. The page says Help Y is BYOK, bring your own key, and the FAQ states you can add your own OpenAI key. For selling access, it highlights admin controls like creating customer accounts with a click or via automation integration, and the ability to limit or restore access for non-paying customers. Get help ira.in +2. Get help ira.in +2 for 52 525 pricing tiers plus guarantee show pricing section. Pricing is presented as a limited time one-time payment offer. The agency section mentions items like selling 100 licenses, a license manager, self-use license, agency license, and 1-year free upgrade. And there's also an all-inclusive deal that includes white label source code selling modification rights, unlimited sales license, plus commercial white label source code licenses and 2 years free upgrades. The page includes a 30-day money-back guarantee and support promises like 24/6 live chat, a 24-hour ticket response guarantee, and live assistance. Get help ira.in +3. Get help ira.in +3, 525 to 545. Reality check plus CTA, quick reality check. A helped disk tool can improve operations, but results depend on the business, the team, and how well you implement work. If you want, comment your niche ecom agency, local service, education, HR, and I'll suggest the best starter setup ticket categories, templates, AI training approach, and a simple agency offer you can sell.